How to create a Pinterest collage. Did you know that you can create a collage on Pinterest? The new version of Pinterest has brought us this interesting feature. Pinterest collages are a creative feature that allows users to compile and showcase a collection of their favorite images in a visually appealing format. By organizing images into a cohesive collage, users can share their inspirations, plan projects, or simply enjoy a personalized visual board. This guide will show you how to create your own Pinterest collage. Before starting, check if you have the latest version of the Pinterest app. If you don't, update the app. Now we can begin. Open the Pinterest app. Then click on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. After that, press the Collage button. Here begins the most interesting part. By clicking on the plus button, you add photo snippets you want. Select the photo you want by clicking on it. Pinterest will automatically cut out a part of the photo. Your task is to click the Add button to add the snippet to your collage. You can position the photo snippet wherever you want. Repeat the process as many times as you wish. I will add 3 snippets, that is, 3 dresses to the collage. I will adjust the collage by moving my dresses to make it look better. When you finish adding snippets, press the arrow in the upper right corner. In the field below Title, you can add a title to your collage. Optionally, add an emoji. Press the Publish button to publish your collage. Choose the board where you want to save the collage. And the collage is done and placed in my board. Here is how it looks in the end. Really interesting and creative. I believe this tutorial will especially appeal to our female followers. For more ideas and tips, follow our channel. See you soon with new tutorials.